In this video, you'll learn how to edit your Microsoft Bookings page so you can quickly update an existing meeting type without recreating it from scratch. This is really helpful when you just need to tweak the name, description, duration, or other basic details of a service you already offer. Let's get started by opening your Microsoft Bookings calendar, the one where your services or meeting types are already set up. Make sure you're on the correct bookings page for the business or team you want to change. If you manage more than one calendar, double check the name at the top so you're editing the right place. On your bookings page, look for the section where your meeting types or services are listed. These usually appear as cards, each one representing a different type of appointment your customers can book. For example, you might see cards labeled something like 30-min consultation, follow-up meeting, or onboarding session. Each of these is what Microsoft calls a service or a meeting type. To begin editing one of these, click directly on the meeting card you want to change. Don't worry about any extra menus or right-click options. Just a normal left-click on the card itself will open the editor. This is the key action that takes you into the place where all of that meeting's details are stored. Once the card opens, you'll see a screen where you can adjust the details for that specific meeting type. This is where you can edit things like the title. So if 30-min consultation no longer fits, you can rename it to something that better describes what you're offering. You can also update the description to give clients a clearer idea of what to expect during the meeting. A more detailed description can reduce back and forth emails and help people come prepared. This is also typically where you can adjust practical settings such as the duration of the meeting, the location or meeting link, and any notes that should be sent in confirmation or reminder emails. Take a moment to scan through the fields on this page and make sure everything still reflects how you actually work today. If your schedule or process has changed, this is the time to bring the meeting type up to date. As you edit, try to keep your wording simple and customer friendly. For the title and description, think about what would make sense to someone booking with you for the first time. Clear, concise text usually leads to better bookings and fewer misunderstandings. When you're happy with your changes, look for the option to save. Click the Save button to apply all the updates you've made to that meeting type. This step is essential. If you close the window or navigate away without saving, your edits will be lost and the public-facing page will stay the same. After saving, it's a good idea to quickly preview your public bookings page or open the booking link in a new tab. Find the meeting type you just edited and make sure everything looks correct, the title, the description, and any key details you changed. If something doesn't look right, you can go back, click on the same meeting card again, adjust the details one more time and save. That's all there is to it. By clicking directly on the meeting card, adjusting the details you need, and saving your changes, you can keep your Microsoft Bookings page accurate, clear, and up to date for anyone scheduling time with you.